guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to another episode and we're playing is such a long I can't remember. Doomspire Brickbattle. It's a pretty cool game. Just make sure all the so basically you have a tower. If you don't know how to play it, here's how you play it. So you have a tower, all these checkpoints, and you have to make sure they still have lots of checkpoints so you can keep respawning, and you have to try and get rid of all the checkpoints of other people, and then you get rid of them. So there's nowhere for them to spawn, and they die of their team. So yeah, I find number 3 and number 1. So 3 is the gun, and sorry, I was lagging then. I would use the gun for taking out the checkpoints. Just do that. It will get exactly where you put it, and it will go. There's another checkpoint there. There's a guy there. Let's just take out this quite easily. So yeah, we could. Can you push things? That would be really good. Keeps moving. Okay, let's try from like that. Yeah. Okay, how are we supposed to get? Okay. Okay, well, that was sad. This game is actually pretty fun. I used to play it a lot with my friends. Now, really, no one plays it. I think one person does. I'm not quite sure there. Let's go kill red team, because I really want to. Number 3. How did I just killed that little? Oh, that was so sad. We both died. Usually I play a game and something really funny happens, and then when I'm doing a YouTube video, nothing funny happens. It's so sad. Okay, let's keep going. Keep going. Let's keep going. Did I kill him? There. I think he was already dead. It's good. Let's go. I was about to fall off. No. Our team has eliminated. Yay. Now we just need to get green team. I feel like my teammates are teaming up with green because no one wanted to go kill them. We're all going for red. I was going for yellow at first. Yay, my friend came. This is one of my best friends. I'm just gonna tell her I'm doing YouTube vid. Yay, she's on blue with me. Okay, well, I'm really happy. I feel like she's never online. I don't know where she is, but let's keep going for green. Can you start it again? No, sorry. I still have lots of time. Sorry, I still have lots. You can say no. No, sorry, I still have lots more time there. Okay, sorry. I still got heaps of time for her. Let's go visit her. Where is she? I think that's her. Eve, stop. Oh, jeez. That's not what her character looks like, I don't think. No. Okay. Let's just just gonna stay on the green bridge. Okay, yeah. By the way, yes. By the way, what? No. Oh, no. We really need to get on the green bridge. I'm really scared that I'm gonna fall. Okay. have you watched? Have you watched? No, 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 no. So sad. Green team is the winner. Have you watched? Have you watched? Have I watched tags? Tags again. Kill. Doo-noo. Why do they have the... I wanna be on the same team as her, cause I really no! Yay! We are on the same team. I wanted to be on you. I wanted to be yellow. I wanted to be yellow. So sad. Oh, jeez, I can't get up. Can't get up. Can't get up. I can't get up. I wanted to be. Yeah. Wait. What? Oh, let's say. Wait, no. How am I supposed to get up? Oh, okay. It's so sad. Why is everyone targeting us? Stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away. Don't try. What? Oh, wait, what? We have a checkpoint on that place. Oh, geez. I can respawn back here. That's actually funny, kind of. That's cool. That's very easy for me to, get here. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I couldn't move for a second. She spawned with me. We need to kill these people. No! Avenge me! Avenge me! And also, guys, just saying at the very bottom, this. Sorry, I just need to pause there. I got called to do something. But we're back. Don't worry, guys. We're still playing dance party. Okay, so yeah, at the bottom there is the earth. What do you call it? I forgot what it's called. I really don't know. But yeah. Oh yeah, she spawned. But I'm gonna win. No. This is so unfair. I went to go up. I went to go up the stairs and I got blown up. I'm really bad at going upstairs. And then in real life, I'm good at stairs. I like going upstairs. It's fun. This game is rigged. This game is rigged. This game is rigged. You can't get me because I'm reaching for the heights and chasing all the lights that shine. That's my bad voice. I sing much better than that. Much. Dab. Under potatoes. Okay, oh wait, no. I started killing my teammate. I'm so nice. Okay, I'm gonna start taking out these checkpoints. Let me take out the checkpoints. That done nothing. You know how this is just someone like Hulk? Oh, there was a person under there. I was about to say like there's Hulk under there trying to lift it up. Yeah, I mean he succeeded at least. Great, good. That's like the best part. When you succeed. Okay, let's just build a wall for us to go up. Oh no. That no. Lo, 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 here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat of drum. I am brave. Okay, man. Dang it. Great. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. No! Hulk smash. Let's get rid of Hulk smash. Now he should be on green team, but he's not. Which is weird. But what? I just shot this thing, man. It's not another Hulk. It's Hulk's brother. I will keep slapping my face. Is she gonna talk to me? No. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. I'm not a fan of I'm not the biggest fan of dark blue, man, but it is a pretty color. But are you serious? You're trying to? Oh no no! His name is Rick. Oh jeez, I just cracked. Please say that you weren't listening to that. It's very embarrassing. Whatever. Red team has been. How many times do I have to spawn here, man? I don't want to spawn at the bottom. Take me to the top. Take me to the top, to the top, 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 to the top, to the top. On the first day of Christmas, my true love said to me. Come on, I need to make my. No! This game is literally rigged. We don't have a bridge anymore. Everyone's trying to get rid of us. Please don't. I'm just gonna keep shooting at these people. They like seriously stop trying to get up. Get someone else. Yellow are rude. They are coming for us. Not. Jesus Christ. Sorry. No. Green. I think they are. I think they're teaming. Oh my god. Well. Uh. That was so sad. Well, I guess they're teaming. Make sure to like and subscribe so they don't team and they die. You know, if you let's see how many likes I get. I bet I get like 10. That's it. Probably less. I'm a not well-known YouTuber, so yeah, but that's okay. I just got started to YouTube, so 10 is alright for me, I guess. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Jeez, I almost forgot what to say. And wait, let's try all these things out first. So these are just little cute balls. I don't know what they do. Let's send it down to. Wait, no. We need to send it up. That's where everyone is. Okay, well, I'm stupid. This is place bombs everywhere. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm not stupid. I'm stupid. Kill my teammate. Can we kill you? Just place a bomb there. I'm such a nice teammate, you know. Okay, well. I wish we still had. We've survived for that long with this tiny little castle. This is funny. No, I get like the middle or something. If you get the middle, it'll be better because it'll snap. Here I am. How do you do? Mama sister, where? Wait, why am I saying?